officially want this thing off.
Hi, Zeusy. How's my boy? Hey, Zeusy.
I'm gonna have to break this thing and take it off me.
You don't want to be a good boy anymore?
No, I want this thing off.
Sean,
Don't
you
eat
gonna
the
climb
thing.
the fence too, Sean? Sean wants to climb too, Daddy.
Climb it, buddy. Nothing stopping
Don't
you.
pick your nose.
What? Climb it. Do it like
He
you
wants
said.
help. I want you to help him.
I'll help you if you're about to fall. Come on, Muscle.
Help him.
I am right here just in case you fall. Come on, start climbing it. No, don't. I'm not holding your feet. Climb it like your brother.